We are going to start the second part of this exercise. So that is creating the nut that is corresponding to uh, the bolt that we have created in the next previous video. So to create that one, so we are using the same accuracy, and also I will start. So this is the created part from this uh, part. So this is the final output of the nut. So we will start the step by step. So these are the things we have, the features that we have had to created this part. So we have used extrude command, cut command, cut revolve. So this is revolve cut command, mirror command. Then we have the plane reference chamfer. So likewise, we have created the part as necessary. So, so we will go step by step. So to create this part, first we have to create this sketch on the right plane. So with these dimensions, and then we have to use this as the extrusion depth. So we will start that. So we will start a new part. Click OK. And here the unit system. So I will go to unit system, select IPS, and in here the document accuracy is 5 digits, uh, 5 decimal places. So I will select that here. So select right plane, select the sketch command, and then here you select this polygon to create here. So select the dimension tool. So they set this distance as 1.5, and we have to draw a circle. So inner circle. So this inner circle is 0.8647. 0.8647. Okay. Um, so select this point and hold in the control button. Select this point. Select these 2 points and make them horizontal to fully define the sketch. So after you fully define the sketch, so go to features, go to this extrude boss, and under this command we have to use mid plane, and you have to give the value of 55 divided by 64. Divide by 64, click OK. So this is our extrusion. And the next part is we have to create this hexagonal cut. So as we did in the previous case, to do that, first we create a sketch on this plane, this face, to get the reference, and then you select, you draw this in your top plane. So we are using the same uh, principle. So select this face, go to a sketch, draw a circle, and select one side of your hexagon and this edge and make them tangent. So it will do like this. And the next part is we have to select the top plane and go to a sketch. So sorry, go to top plane uh, and go to a sketch. So select this line tool, and so you select where this The previous sketch has been started. So you can select this circle, the other sketch, and this point, and select these two together and make a Pierce relation. Okay, so make a Pierce relation and then add the values. So select this line and this line. So this should be 30 degrees. And then from here to here, it is 0.25. So after creating this sketch, draw a center line uh, from here to this point. So to make them as the axis of revolution. Okay, so select this revolved cut and it will automatically select the uh, the unnecessary parts. Okay, so click OK. So it will remove this part. So the next part is you have to do this same in the this section. So for that, to copy that feature, we are using mirror tool. Select the right plane and the feature, you select this revolve cut and click OK. Okay, so we are doing the same in the other part as well. Okay, so mirror revolve cut in the other place. So the next step is to add the chamfer. So it is 0.0767. Uh, so you should add these to both sides. Okay. Uh, go to this here, select here and go to this chamfer and select this edge and select this edge. So here this is 0.0767. Click OK here. So you have created the chamfer. So after creating the chamfer, so you can actually so as we did before, so we need to add a plane uh, with the pitch distance away from the nut, and then so under this reference geometry, select plane and select this face and set it to the pitch diameter and click OK. So then after creating uh, this one, we need to create the helix. Uh, so we need to convert the smaller edge inside of the nut uh, using this convert entities. So we will select this plane and hit escape, and I will select the small edge here and select this convert entities. So now it is uh, the edge is being converted to a sketch. So after doing that, go to features, go to this reference curves. Under these curves, we use this helix and spiral. Here we use the same the values and the distance distance, I think it is 1.25 and other things are same. Okay, so 1.25 and so you say you have the same values here and click OK. So it will create a sketch like this. So after that one, so we need to draw this sketch profile as in the previous case. Uh, so you can imagine that when we are revolving this, so under one revolution, this sketch will come here. Okay. So that's why we are using a pitch from here to here. We are using a pitch reference and creating that part. So we need to draw this one and do the sketch again. So to create this one, so I will select the front plane and do a sketch. So it is better if you display style set the display style to this one. So here I am selecting this hidden lines visible. So this is the chamfer. Okay, so this is the chamfer. So I will we need to draw some center lines to do our to make our sketch. So this is one. So this is correspond to the smaller edge. And next part is you select another center line. Select this plane one side and select this to another side. And as we did in the previous spaces, so go to tools, sketch tools, select the dynamic mirror and make this line as your dynamic mirror. And then you draw the this profile. Okay, so this profile. So you draw a line tool. So from here to here. So I did some mistake here. So we need to create the sketch. So select here. So you close the profile and add the values. So this is from this. So the angle of this line is 60 degrees. Uh, so this line is 0.1 or 0.01563. 06767. Okay, so you can actually give a dimension if this is necessary for you. So it will create a fully defined sketch. So after creating this one, go to features. So we will exit this sketch first and go to this shape cut. So it automatically select the sketch profile, and then the next part is you have to select the other parts. So after you creating this one, so you will get uh, to the part. So you change this to your normal the the display size display styles to this one, shaded with edges. Okay, so normally we model from this one. Okay, so you can hide your geometries. So it will give you a good visibility. Okay, so this is your sketch for creating the ball part. Okay, so we will go to the next exercise and we will discuss about other features as well.